Hey guys, if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for links to some great online retailers. There's also individual links for knives that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. I feel like I should know exactly what's in here, but I can't remember, so we're going to find out together. Thanks so much to my generous patrons who are supporting me right now. If you're enjoying the daily knife content on this channel and you'd like to support me, get your hands on some cool stickers, there's a link right down in the description. And please follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Alright, let's go ahead and shift the contents so we don't, there we go, there's a good spot right up here. And very straight, accurate cut there with the scalpel. Alright, here we go. And do I need to cut this open? No, I think I can just reach in here, and we have pouch number 1 and pouch number 2. Okay. One says Reate, but that's not always indicative of what's inside. Yeah, let's open the Reate first. Let's open the Reate pouch first. Wait, I can tell. I know what this is. Yeah, this is is it the tribute? Oh, yeah, that's good looking. I will link this guy right down into the description because as far as I know, this is still available. I am a big fan of, boy, that's nice and, oh yeah, that's nice and smooth. Sorry, left-handed there. Let's try with the right-handed one. Just a little bit of encouragement there. There we go. Can we? Yeah, you can top flip it too. Oh, that's good. Good looking knife from Reate. Yeah, I'll link this guy down below. Looks like titanium bolsters, carbon fiber, titanium liner lock, and I'm guessing M390. Yeah, nice. How's the, oh, nice and thin. Hand rub satin. That is a beautiful little minimalist EDC knife. Oh, that's nice. That's real nice, guys. Yeah. Sometimes I become aware of what I'm saying and how I sound. It's not often. But right there I did. Whatever. This is nice. I appreciate it. I believe that this is Lavender Pants. A name that I will never forget. Yeah, I believe that's who this is. And the other one. Now this one I wasn't expecting. What is this? Nice front flipper. Oh boy. Oh. Didn't even need that much encouragement. Oh yeah, that's false shut. Okay, so if I can link this guy, honestly I don't know what this is. People are saying, you should know what it is if you're gonna do a review on it. This isn't a review. This is an unboxing, like it says in the title. The person who was already typing up their comment. Oh, I just won't leave that comment then. I know I got somebody right middle of their comment going, you should really know exactly what it is you're looking at before you do a review. Oh, okay, never mind, my bad. I know I got somebody. All right, I don't know what this is, but I will link it down in the description if I can find it. Yeah, this feels like something that's not readily available. Yeah, I'm just going by instinct here. This feels pretty upper end. God, is there a marking on it or anything? I probably should have just checked out his message again before I looked at it. Solid titanium steel lock bar inserts, obviously running on bearings. Nice sort of acid wash on there. Both of these are beautiful front flippers. Absolutely. It'll be in the title of the video. And if I can link this guy, I will link it down below as well. I know for a fact that this guy's available. Absolutely. I just looked it up the other day because I thought, boy, that's good looking. Ooh, yeah. That's a nice little sort of, you know. I hate using the term gentleman's knife because I've been making fun of it so often. I've never enjoyed that. It's a nice sort of classy carry, something that's a little bit more subdued, not super aggressive, smaller, right? Less, I don't want to say unassuming, but just less sort of in your face, you know, something that's not like knife. It's something that's more like knife, you know? Does that make sense? All right. Had a lot of coffee. Good unboxing. This was fun. Thank you very much, Lavender Pants. You and I will be talking a little bit more about this guy. You will have already received a message, though, by the time you see this. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this short little unboxing. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like. So check those out, and if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, and have a great day.